Today we visited the Ocho Rios Hotel and Waterpark, courtesy of resortforaday.com. This day pass includes all-inclusive food and drink, plus round-trip transportation to and from the cruise port. We had such a blast here, enjoying all the different pools, swim-up bars, and activities. For those in our group who wanted to relax, there were plenty of lounge chairs available in the sun or the shade. But my favorite part of this resort had to be the water park. We spent so much time here because we were just having a blast, and there was even a small water park for kids, as well as a splash pad. The younger kids in our group even had the option to go inside to enjoy the indoor jungle gym, and this resort also offered a little craft room for them. There are so many fun activities happening at this resort, whether you're in the pool or by the beach. There is something for everyone. Towards the end of our day in port, I spent a lot of time at the beach relaxing. There were many lounge chairs in the sun or the shade, and there was plenty of space on this beautiful beach. We got our day pass through resortforaday.com, which is the best place for cruisers to find excursions. Is resortforaday.com. We will definitely be using them again for our next cruise.